Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Shopflo is hiring for Brand Marketing Intern role. This is a remote job that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. So first of all, here is who are we. So Shopflo was started by three co-founders, Ankit, ex-IIT Kharagpur Oracle, Gupshup, Ishan, ex-IIT Bombay, Parthenon, Elevation Capital, and Priya, ex-IIT Madras, McKinsey, Elevation Capital. We are a team of 25 people now, with team members joining from LiveSpace, Gupshup, Setu, Zilingo, P&G, Plum, McKinsey, etc. This is a high-impact, critical role to craft the future roadmap of the organization. We have closed our first seed round with Tiger Global, TQ Ventures and Better Capital, as well as prominent angels in the ecosystem. And we are just getting started. So responsibilities under this role are understanding brand guidelines and ideology, designing creatives for different communication platforms, websites, emailers, social media, newsletters, understanding and creating copies, content according to the brand language, enthusiastic about new initiatives and ideas. Now the requirements for this role are good command of Photoshop, Figma or Illustrator, an eye for detail and a good sense of visual communication design, strong written and verbal communication skills, understanding of social media platforms, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter, delivering high quality creatives and explorations, collaborating with the design and marketing teams, comfortable with being in a small team working on a big product. It's important for you to be comfortable with changes, pivots and surprises. Key details. Location is remote. Happy to have you in our headquarters in Kormangala, Bangalore. Compensation. It's a paid internship. Date of joining. We are ready when you are. Qualifications required for this role are current undergrad student from Tier 1 or Tier 2 institutes looking to explore content and social media roles. Design students looking for paid internships opportunities currently with or without prior experience. So how to apply for this role? So if you are eligible for this role, so there is a process of applying. Mail a short description about yourself along with your design work to this email ID. And also you have to click on this easy apply button and then you have to fill the application and after that submit this application. So first of all you have to apply with this easy apply button and also you have to email them to this email ID with your design work. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.